kailangan mo mag-train para lang makuha yung iyong baggage. So enjoy lang muna natin yung view habang kami nagpapalaki. Oh, ito na sa tunnel kami. So nandito kami ngayon sa bus. 16 na kami nasakay nito ngayon, special. So yung 16 na yan, mayroong 6 kami na taga Dasmariñas, mayroong dalawang taga Santa Cruz Laguna, may taga Carmona, mayroong taga GMA, may staff ng Uplink, at saka yung country director ng Dahua na Chinese. Yun ang kasama namin ngayon. So ang destination namin ay sa Bincheng Road sa Hangzhou. Stay kami sa John Tell's Hotel. Okay, so tinanong na namin na nasa tunnel tayo ngayon. Tignan natin yung mga view mamaya. Ganda ng jacket. Namimili na sila.
100 pesos na lang. Mura.
99 mura yun.
Ito na naman ako sa Times. Ito na naman ako sa Times. 1,000 times 8,000 agad yun. Ano sabi? 800 yuan? Ano yun eh? Scan, QR code.
Doon tayo sa kabila, dulo. Dito kami nag-stop over muna. Napakalamig. Ito yung bus na sinap. Hinihilig na.
A few moments later.
Kakulitan. Ilang minuto na lang nasa Hangzhou na kami. Medyo mahaba yung biyahe from Pudong, Shanghai. Nasa mahigit 2 oras. Ganito yung itsura papasok ng Hangzhou. Kung papansin niyo doon sa bandang malayo na yun, sanay talaga sila na yung mga building dito may mga warm na lights, mga ibabaw. Hindi siya ganun kagaganda yung mga building, pero pakita ko lang yun dinadaanan namin. So sobrang talas ng mga building. Nandito kami ngayon sa parang skyway nila, third layer ng skyway. Yun nasa baba. Meron pang nasa baba niya. Nakikita niya na saan. Nasa tulay kami, guard yung barrier. So mamaya na ulit at kukuberan yung ating camera. Thank you.
Much later.
Dito naman kami. Hi. Fine dining.
Hintay natin sila. Welcome po.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome po. Tuloy po kayo.
Pasok po kayo.
Anyong sa'yo.
Bullet train po yung sinakyan namin. Tuloy po kayo. Hi, welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Is body work? No,
Yeah,
it's a camera. Look at that.
Kasya ba tayo dito?
Yeah. The aircon is okay? Or need a warmer? Okay.
Classmate.
空调还可以调暖和一点吗？啊，美女。空调帮忙调暖和一点吗？
哎，好。
One eternity later.
Ito yung lobby, main lobby ng John Tel's Hotel. So, magche-check-in pa lang kami. Napagod na. Napagod na. Main lobby.
Pero kung dito yung hinahanap mo admin, dun sa pinakababa.
Lamig. Nasa 5th floor yung yung main lobby ng building, ng hotel. And then sa kabilang side niya, eto, kainan dito. Napakalamig po talaga, napakalamig. Ah, ang hirap mag-stay dito sa sa labas ng building. Pasok na muna uli ako. Napakalamig po talaga. Napakalamig. So, mamaya na uli. Mamaya na ulit tayo mga kahulitan at mag-check-in muna kami.
The next day.
Good morning mga kakulitan. Ayan, so ito yung second day namin dito sa China. So kahapon ay halos maghapon na biyahe from Cavite. From the city of Dasmariñas, umalis kami ng 7 a.m. Going to Terminal 1, Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Terminal 1. Nag-board kami ng 11:25. Umalis kami ng 12:10 at dumating kami dito ng almost 3:30 ng hapon. Yan. So, from Pudong Airport, 2 hours na byland kami. Papunta dito sa Hangzhou, China. So, nakapag-check-in kami ng alas 9 na ng gabi. So, nagpahinga lang kagabi after ng dinner. Tapos ito na yung second day namin. Kasama ko ngayon ang head ng CITO. Ayan, nagbibihis. Ayan, si Sir Romer.
Live ba yan, sir? Live?
Hindi, sir. Dito naka-live yan.
Live eh.
Tapos, ito yung room namin.
扮演老人，比如说今天我要去录像幸福青花节目。
Ayan. 4-star daw na na hotel. Okay naman siya. Ayan. Bathtub. Pagpasok mo, ganda naman. Ayan. 2 double bed. Tapos dito sa side niya, ito yung view ng Hangzhou. Ito yung mga katabi naming building. So, 7 degrees mga kakulitan. 7 degrees ang temperature sa labas. Ubod ng lamig. Ubod ng lamig. Yan, pagi siya. Cloudy skies. And ngayong araw na to, ang schedule namin ay syempre magbe-breakfast muna. Pagkatapos pupunta kami sa office ng Dawa Technology. And then magtutur kami sa Dawa Technology Factory. Yan. So yan ang aming gagawin ngayong maghapon na to. Titingnan namin yung mga pinaka-latest technology na ino-offer ng Dawa. Particularly dun sa mga CCTV cameras nila. So isang napakalaking company ito. Na nire-represent ng Uplink sa Pilipinas. Kasama namin si Sir Jack, yung kanilang director. Country director kahapon. So, bali 17 kami dito. Kasama namin yung 6 na department head ng City of Dasmariñas. Kasama yung head ng CITO Carmona, Municipal Administrator ng GMA, Disaster Officer ng Santa Cruz Laguna at saka ng Siniluan Laguna. And kasama rin yung stop ng uplink. Ayan. So, mamaya tingnan natin kung anong makikita natin sa labas. Mukhang magmamadali kaming pumasok sa building sa sobrang lamig. Baka hindi namin kayanin. Okay, so mamaya na lang ulit. See you later. Thank you.
如果我的工作时间允许的话，我也
1 hour later.
Good morning. So, nandito kami ngayon sa restaurant. So, ito yung mga food nila. Buffet. Subukan natin yan kung ano yung pwede natin. Isa rin vlogger din.
Kasi sarap ng food.
Tignan natin kung ano nga masarap dyan. Bunso, your favorite. Rice. So, pagka bunso. Breakfast sausage and chicken breakfast sausage. Yes, century egg. So, time to eat na. Sugod na. Okay, so later ulit. Sama namin para doon si Lumang John.
Meanwhile,
Kapo tayo. Tayo pala. Thank you. Ayan mga kakulitan, nandito na kami sa Dawa Technology. Ito yung office nila, dito namin makita yung so mamaya titingnan natin kung paano yung demonstration na ginagawa nila. Ito yung team namin from Philippines. We are 17 ka. Okay, so mamaya ulit.
And in 2003, that was officially entered the overseas market. And after many years of development, in 2008, established the stock exchange. And Nowadays, the globalization of tendency really efforts in this for the globalization. Firstly, you see our company has long running number one global market share, and we have 69 the subsidiaries. Also, to offer the service or solutions to international customers from 7 continents and more than 120 countries. And also, we have the entrepreneurs not only in China but also in overseas, in Poland, in Mexico. And also, we have a very professional and comprehensive manufacturing supply chain. For example, in Vietnam. Also, we have the integrated collaborative services platform to give you the 24 hours and 7 days the support to give you technical support all weather. The innovation business. Now, like I mentioned at the beginning, the Street Shop Street. So what's the meaning? This is the shop. Shop means its icon. Its meaning is excellence and prominence. This is the version of this icon. So this is not our final concept for simplicity, action, system. I will explain the 5 concepts one by one by the screen. And we will choose our technological platforms, our AI platforms, and our intelligence platforms. And our goal is to serve the business and the enterprise business. And finally, to promote the digital and intelligent transformation of different industries, and also to promote construct the smart city. So, like I mentioned, our 5 focus. The first one is
Chinese. Kanina, ang ganda eh. Tsaka may duwag na duwag.
100 meters traffic road. And the temporal sensing, the first dimension is the temporal sensing, and for the PFA, this technology is to do the movement perceive, and we can perceive the next posture of this people. So we can do the to perceive the next movement of these people, and you know, in the because of he has a very strong power for the ability. Even during the zooming process, we can still keep the clear and reduce the blur in the monitoring. And now I would like to show you very simple and interesting demonstration to represent
先给他们讲细一点，对，就做一个交流时间，好吗？
So ilan lamang yan sa mga technology ng DAWA, no? Panorin natin yun. Ito na, The Matrix. Matrix.
Push na natin yung Reno.
Yes, ma'am. Sir, dito daw po tayo.
restore the digital version of the real world. And we have a four capability. We integrated the four capabilities like our IoT sensing, video fusion, AI capability, and spatial temporal calculation. And you know, in a traditional, the monitor way is by the in our command center we maybe use the splicing scripts, and you must to see the situation of different sides one by the screen. But now we have the digital twin technology. Just in the digital world, you can realize all the resources, the optimization, and you can see many details about the security in your building. So our digital twin technology will show you, will help you to the resource optimization, to improve your management and help you to more scientific decisions. And then after this, we will have the digital twin, the operation management the platform, and I will show you in details how our digital twin works. Sorry, because we are not allowed to take photos.
Thank you.
Just one mention again is this one. Actually, we call it the LED COD technology, common center. Before, mostly they use the LCD. And right now, we already in Manila, we already deployed a very huge common center. And in the future, we will deploy a huge one. In Philippines, that will be the biggest one. This is actually not time. So it's stage or in other LGU. maybe you can
Bawal?
bring also upgrade to
Sabi mo kanina, may
home center.
So, second
Because
part.
before they just
Kanina mo ba? Ikaw na paano nag-video? Oh, sabi niya second stage.
Sabi niya okay lang.
Actually, that is another real
Parang talaga, bago ng poste.
So itong mga kakulitan, ito ang headquarters ng Dahua. Ito yung pinaka-opisina nila. Ito sa Zhejiang Dahua Technology sa China. Sa Hangzhou. Yan. Okay. 7 degrees ang temperature dito. Talagang lahat kami ay nilalamig. Ito yung service namin papunta ng Dahua Factory. Papasyalan namin mamaya after dito. Katatapos lang namin mag-lunch courtesy ng ng Dahua. Sobrang ganda, sobrang grabe yung technology dito. Ma-amaze. Ayan, ito yung mga kasama namin. Ito yung harapan. Ayan. Yung taas na building din. Ginagawa pa. And ito yung mga kakulitan. Naka-doble tayo ngayon. Isang sweatshirt sa loob. Tapos dinoblehan ko pa nitong Adidas na sweater with hood. Pero tagos pa rin. Lamig, sobra talaga. 7 degrees, hindi pa naman siya nag-yelo, pero parang sa Baguio nga ay 70 ngayon, dito ay 7. Ito ang aking sponsor. Ma'am Mildred, City Assessor. Project namin to. So pagkatapos nitong travel na to, marami kaming gagawin for Dasma.
Wala tayo, hindi tayo nakain ng kape.
Walang kape. Green tea. Ang damit mo, may panda. May panda. Yan. Ayan, si Engineer Jamil. Nangunguni-huni. Ang sarap maglakad-lakad sa malamig na klima. Si Sir Romer naman, si ITO. May kami, family channel kami. Okay. Yung mga bata ko nahihilig sa ganito. Pag may pinupuntahan ako, pinapadala tong camera. Video. Ayan. Engineer Jamil Espinosa.
Hello. Mahihain sa camera.
Ayun. Ma'am. Okay, so mga kakulitan, mamaya ulit. Mula dito sa Hangzhou, China. Raynor Calzado po. See you later.